What is going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to be testing a product that I researched online. It actually is recommended by one of my friends. So these are RimSavers, which basically goes on the edge of the rims. And since this is my father's car, first of all, and a little bit of a curb rash done by the owner himself, but we're gonna go ahead and try to prevent any future curb rashes with this product right here. Again, it's called RimSavers. I got it in white. Hopefully white fits this whole bursting blue metallic color scheme. And let's go ahead and in 3, 2, 1. All right, so here we have a quick unboxing. Very simple design, very simple packaging, I mean. So right here, you got your one-sided flap, and the other side, you open it up, and here it is. The product itself, it's white, but it's really off-white. Kind of like a beige type of color scheme. All right, and right here it gives you like just to let you know to go ahead and prep the surface rubbing alcohol first. It'll give you promoter adhesive from 3M and some ultra glue, super glue, which I don't think we'll need, hopefully not. All right, but most of these are done by 3M tape. A ton of these 3M VHB adhesive wipes. So right here, once you open it, you're gonna see like 3M taping or 3M backing right here. You're gonna peel it off and basically stick it on. Very simple packaging, and we will go ahead and start the video. All right, so basically here are the instructions from the website itself, from the company. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and clean the wheels first, step 1. Step 2, we're gonna go and use an alcohol wipe provided by the company to test if it's whether or not it's clean or not, dirty or not. We're gonna apply the promoter, the 3M VHB wipe. Let it stick on for at least 5 minutes to promote adhesion. Then we're gonna go ahead and start by sticking on the RimSavers, using the rim edge guard as a guidance around the radius of the wheel, some excess, and then when it's 2 inches away, we're gonna go ahead and leave the 3M tape in the back first. Cut it, align it, and then slap it on. It's supposed to not overlap, but meet. And then whatever gap that you have, you're gonna go ahead and use that cap with the super glue to go ahead and hide the gap if there is any. And that is it. Let's see how it goes. All right, so first things first, let us go ahead and clean the wheel like so. I have some alcohol spray that I have in the house. Good mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the rim part itself. So I can see from here, not sure how nice the zoom is right now. The alcohol spray is cleaning the wheel dust or the brake dust, but when doing so, you're gonna reveal a ton of curb rashing. Basically what we're trying to do here is, according to RimSaver, we have to do this to just take out not only brake dust, but any type of wheel shine or wax on the wheel. All right, next we're gonna use this 3M VHB surface cleaner. This promotes the adhesion, make sure everything's good. Basically, this is all white here. We're gonna wipe it around like so. Make sure all the dirt or the brake dust is off. All right, so let's see how it works. We have the tape peeled off like so. Let's go ahead and start the process. Again, I chose this area so that you guys can see a better fit of how this edge works. All right, so here we are. Basically, we're just gonna work around And then have this pulled down like so, towards this part. The edge guard is making it pretty nice. All right. Then we'll fast forward this maybe like 2 times, 4 times speed. All right, so right here, I have the 3M still in the backing. The protective film right here is not cut yet, or it's not torn away. I'll go ahead and just measure it and make a really nice cut so that it doesn't overlap either. And from there, if there is a gap and whatnot, I will use that portion and cover the gap. So the cover that the RimSavers company supplied us, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. But let's see how it goes. All right, so there you go. And that seems like a pretty perfect, that's kind of dirty, but I'm gonna rip this off. Just connect it like so. Push it against here. All right, so let's take a look. Right here was a pretty perfect cut. Hopefully all the rest of the 3 wheels would be the same, but it's pretty incognito. The white actually works with the silver. I figured the black would kind of make the sidewalls look a little bit bigger, kind of go against the whole low profile look. So if I wanted black, the brake dust is gonna darken this thing anyway, so I figured I went for the white. Here's how much I used. Here's the excess I have left over. So for reference, if you guys have like 17-inch rims, 18-inch, 19-inch, the RimSavers kit, the startup kit, with the 4 universal fittings for the rim protectors, this should fit any type of wheel, because this is a 21-inch wheel. Even with the 22, you will have a good amount of slack. All right, so again, this is the white color. Not really white, it's kind of off-white. So for future reference, if you guys are considering the white, it's not gonna be totally white. And right now it says also white instead of like off-white. That's a version of white right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish all 4 wheels. And hopefully, as you can see from here, the curb rashes, for the most part, has been hidden. All right, a little bit of blemishes here and there, but overall it looks okay. I can't even tell if it's on or not unless you're up close and personal with the rim. All right guys, so here we are with the RimSavers. Everything's all done. I think we made a right choice in choosing the white because it's pretty discreet. If you take a look at it, it blends in with the silver, and overall installation was pretty easy. It took about an hour or so, including the because I had to film, but without it, probably if you get the hang of it, probably in less than half an hour, I would say. Maybe a little bit longer if your rims are in bad shape and you have to go ahead and clean it up or so. But for the most part, I would recommend buying these when they're new, because definitely if I had these on before, it would definitely prevent a lot of curb rashes or cosmetic damages on the rim itself. But overall, like I said, pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward installation. Here it is, RimSavers. We have the automotive adhesion promotion right here, a promoter, and also the 3M VHB, the cleaner, the alcoholic pad. So in all honesty, I cleaned it so well that I only needed one of each. I actually didn't really use the promotion, the adhesion promoter, because it got really sticky. And it didn't smell that good, but depends on the rim and the surface area and how clean it is, and also the texture. I think for us, we could get away with just using a 3M and then using alcohol, wiping it down, and it should be fine. But overall, here it is. Let me know what you guys think about the whole product. So far, so good. I think in terms of cutting it, it was pretty easy. I didn't use a super glue to go ahead and glue the cap on the edges where the two ends meet. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if it unravels. But so far, about maybe 2 hours in, here it is. Looks pretty good. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care.